Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Thank you. Easter chocolate. And we are getting lower. Some bucket because we forgot to buy salt. I love the brand. I forgot the basket. I'm here in Lolo, WTC Mall again. I'll come back because we forgot to buy salt and the bakala is closed and we need to cook. Okay. Hey guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like. At iba kami na suggestion, question po dito share, subscribe. Thank you very much.